Ever wondered about the future of global trade? Imagine a world where business boundaries are erased and opportunities are limitless. This isn't a distant dream, but a reality being shaped by global trade chain. We're revolutionizing how businesses interact, making global trade more efficient, transparent, and secure. With our innovative platform, we're not just predicting the future of trade, we're actively creating it. So, buckle up and stay tuned to discover how global trade chain is reshaping the global trade landscape. The journey began with a vision for a seamless global trade system, a world where businesses, large and small, could connect and trade with ease, regardless of their geographical location. And so, the idea of global trade chain was born. Our team, a vibrant mix of innovators and problem solvers, set out on this ambitious journey. We knew that the first step was to create a robust platform, a foundation upon which all other aspects of our vision could be built, and that's exactly what we did. We began by mapping out the challenges faced by businesses in the world of trade. From complex supply chains to inconvenient payment methods, we identified the pain points and started designing solutions. We knew that our platform had to be user-friendly, efficient, and most importantly, reliable. We then moved on to developing the platform's framework. This was a meticulous process requiring a delicate balance between advanced technology and practical usability. We focused on creating a platform that was not just technologically advanced but also simple and intuitive for users. In this development phase, we incorporated fundamental features such as real-time tracking, intelligent analytics, and interactive dashboards. These features were designed to provide businesses with all the information they need to make informed decisions, while also making the trading process as smooth as possible. But we didn't stop there. We understood that a solid foundation is not just about the platform itself, but also about the community it serves. So we made it a priority to foster a strong community around global trade chain. We created forums and feedback channels, enabling users to connect, share experiences, and contribute ideas for improvement. And so, the foundation was laid. A platform that was technologically advanced, user-friendly, and community-centered. But this was just the beginning. With the platform set, the next step was to integrate financial systems. This would ensure that businesses could not only connect and trade, but also transact seamlessly and securely. But that's a story for another time. Money is the lifeblood of trade. It fuels the exchange of goods and services, and without it, the wheels of commerce grind to a halt. This fundamental truth guided our development of global trade chain. We recognize the importance of facilitating smooth and secure transactions, and that's exactly what we've achieved. In a world where digital transactions are commonplace, integrating robust payment systems was a top priority. We wanted to ensure that money moved as freely and securely as the goods traded on our platform. To this end, we partnered with leading global payment providers. This collaboration enabled us to build a secure, reliable, and easy-to-use payment gateway that is now a fundamental part of our platform. But we didn't stop at just facilitating transactions. We wanted to make them convenient as well. Recognizing the global nature of trade, we ensured our platform could handle multiple currencies. Whether you're dealing in dollars, euros, yen, or any other currency, global trade chain has got you covered. Security was another crucial aspect we focused on. In the digital age, cyber threats are an ever-present risk. That's why we've implemented advanced security measures to protect your transactions. With state-of-the-art encryption and multi-factor authentication, you can trade with peace of mind. And it's not just about transferring money. We've made it easy to track your transactions too. With our intuitive interface, you can monitor the status of your payments in real time, ensuring transparency and control. Ultimately, our aim was to create a platform that would make trading as easy and secure as possible. By integrating these payment systems, we've taken a significant step towards that goal. We've created a platform where money moves as easily as the goods and services it's used to purchase. But facilitating transactions was just one part of the puzzle. Next, we focused on a key aspect of trade: logistics. Trade is not just about transactions, but also transportation. In a globalized world, goods move across continents and oceans, reaching different corners of the globe. This is where logistics come into play. It's the invisible network that keeps the world of trade spinning. But let's face it, logistics can be a complex and often daunting aspect of global trade. That's why at Global Trade Chain we decided to take the bull by the horns. We understood that to make trade truly seamless, we needed to streamline the logistics process. So we rolled up our sleeves and got down to business. We began by forging collaborations with leading logistics companies across the globe. Why? Because we wanted to ensure that your goods are not just transacted smoothly, but also transported efficiently. Our collaborations were not just about partnering with logistics companies, they were about creating a network, a web of efficient routes that spanned the globe. This network was designed to ensure fast, efficient, and transparent delivery of goods. You see, transparency is key in logistics. Knowing where your goods are at any given moment, understanding the route they are taking, and being assured that they will reach their destination on time, this is what we aim to provide. And we didn't stop there. We worked closely with these logistics companies, integrating their systems with ours. This integration allowed us to monitor and manage the logistics process closely, ensuring that there were no hitches along the way. All this effort was aimed at one thing: making global trade as simple and as seamless as possible. We wanted to remove the complexities, the uncertainties, and the inefficiencies that often plague the logistics process. And we believe we have succeeded. With logistics sorted, we aim to increase trust and security on the platform, but that's a story for another scene. For now, let's bask in the knowledge that with GlobalTradeChain, logistics is no longer a hurdle, but a facilitator of global trade. Trust and security are paramount in global trade. Without these two key principles, the entire system breaks down. That's why, in our development journey at GlobalTradeChain, we made it a priority to enhance these aspects. It was clear to us that we needed to build a robust verification module, one that would serve as the backbone of trust and security in our platform. This module wasn't just about ticking a box, it was about creating an environment where every user could feel safe and confident in their transactions. But how did we do it? We started with a meticulous design process, considering every possible risk and how we could mitigate it. We looked at everything from identity verification to transaction validation, ensuring that every step of the trade process was covered. Next, we brought this design to life, coding and testing each element of the module. Our team of developers worked tirelessly, checking and rechecking their work to ensure that no stone was left unturned. But we didn't stop there. Once the module was in place, we continued to refine it, learning from user feedback and adapting to new challenges as they arose. We knew that trust and security were not static concepts, but dynamic ones that needed to be nurtured and developed over time. The result? A verification module that fosters trust among our users. With it, they know that their interests are protected, their transactions are secure, and their business is in safe hands. This module has not only enhanced trust and security on our platform, but it has also set a new standard in global trade. It's a testament to our commitment to our users and our dedication to revolutionizing the world of trade. Finally, we sought to simplify trade procedures. After all, trust and security are not just about protecting our users, but also about making their lives easier. And that's exactly what we've strived to do at GlobalTradeChain. Trade is often bogged down by complex procedures. It's like a marathon with hurdles. But imagine if we could remove those hurdles and make the run smoother, faster, and more efficient. That's exactly what GlobalTradeChain set out to do. Our quest led us to a significant partnership, an integration with customs authorities. Now you might think, customs? Isn't that just more red tape? But here's the twist. By working closely with customs, we've managed to reduce the notorious border times. You know, those long, drawn-out periods when your goods seem to have fallen into a black hole? Well, those are becoming a thing of the past. Through this integration, we've simplified procedures, speeding up the export and import of goods. It's like having a fast-track lane at the airport. No more long queues or tiresome paperwork, just swift, efficient trade. But how did we pull this off? The answer lies in data exchange. By sharing relevant information with customs authorities, we've removed the guesswork from the equation. This transparency not only accelerates procedures, but also builds trust with the authorities. So, what does this all mean for you? It means your business can thrive in a world of trade that's faster, smoother, and more efficient. It's like taking the express train to success. And the best part? You're not just a passenger on this journey. You're in the driver's seat. GlobalTradeChain is not just a platform, it's a revolution. We've laid the foundation, facilitated transactions, streamlined logistics, and enhanced trust and security. We've simplified trade procedures, making global trade accessible and efficient like never before. But this is just the beginning. The future holds endless possibilities, and at GlobalTradeChain, we're ready to seize them. Join us on this exciting journey and be a part of the trade revolution.